Hello, today I want to show you how you can use some of the interactivity options when using a tab element. For this example, I've created a few tabs and I'm getting one of my accounts information, primary contact, all account contacts and cases. But let's say I want to make the rectangle a little wider. And when I stretch it out, I get a gap. Let's save and preview. Here we see the gap. A quick way to fix that is by selecting your tabs and going to the settings wheel. Click interactivity. And if you select centered, everything inside looks much better. Let's save and preview. Here we see them centered. And that's before. So again, that's a very fast way to be able to arrange your tabs.